Hi everyone, welcome to Shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw 35-degree angle by using protractor. So constructing 35-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing a line of any length here. So first drawing a line here. Okay. Next marking a point here. Okay, now using protractor, so putting the protractor on the line perfectly. Next counting the angle, so this is 0, 10, 30, 20, 30 and 40. So between 30 to 40 we can get 35 degree. So this is 35-degree angle. Next joining this one to get 35-degree angle. So now joining this side. Okay, so this is angle 35-degree. So we got 35-degree angle. So this is P, Q and this is R. So this is 35-degree angle. So therefore angle PQR equal to 35-degree angle. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks.